the back.
Again, nobody missed you.
I just noticed something stupid about the AFK bots. They tried to shoot people with a rocket jumper. What the hell?
Professor, you, I'm getting a new doctor. Guess what, chicken butt?
Meatspin.com, no, I already know of that.
Oh, meatspin.com. Like a ragged baby, right round, right round. I love that meme.
That
It's the site your
website's
parents
disgusting.
warned you about. Because right now my computer is being a bastard to work with.
Okay, well I know for a fact you're not dead.
Don't even get to enjoy this.
Oh, you bitch!
I had a crit.
You bitch!
I had a crit.
Bitch! You bitch!
What happens when I use the Diamondback? Stays in the back. Saw that one coming.
I
Well
saw where the
played,
crit
sir.
went. I saw where the crit went. I'm like, well, so I jumped right in front of you and just stuck my blade in your skull. Hope you don't mind.
Something points. Just from using this class.
Who cares? No one.
Heal yourself.
But no, it's not a stage. No.
Heal yourself. Oh my god.
Hey, DLB, I dare you to use the Enforcer.
I actually don't have an Enforcer. Which is such BS because I've been trying to get one for like a week. Actually, no, not a week. I haven't gotten it for like a couple months because I haven't been on here for the past 3 weeks. I'm just destined to never having to... Damn it!
I'm so happy.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I like it moist. I like it moist. I have a huge crush on the fence god.
that's how I like it. I like it moist.
Stop it, please. You're not making me moist. Pyro, please. You're not making me moist.
How many hits? How many? Okay, there you go. You're gonna die
This
otherwise.
pyro is pathetic.
True.
It's funny that he named himself the world's most stupidest gun in the world.
Nope.
He was just about to get the clicks. Yeah, it was just stuck.
Scout, help me, point.
Yeah.
Look at that frog right there. Look at that, like, don't even say more. Right.
Shot you in the head.
Wait, Pyro. Oh, get fucking destroyed.
Slap my hand.
Did happen. I'm recording a demo right now. What are you gonna give me for it to not have happened? I was doing a ton and everything. Yes, it did happen. Even Canadians saw it, right, Canadian? Yes. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, that's great. I'm glad I got this on a demo.
Mine.
Please send it to Nissel. Please send it to Nissel, Canadian guy.
Wait, that's your first time with the Enforcer?
Please,
I
dear.
haven't found a
Still needs to get a cow manually. Looking for
that arm, I'm looking for a professional kill streak. Professional kill streak. professional kill streak, strange professional vintage kill streak, fuck, what was it? Equalizer. Vintage, professional kill streak, vintage strange equalizer. I'm gonna get a, professional kill streak collector's, nightly medicine, whatever the fuck. I'm gonna...
What are these names you were spewing out?
It's a look at the most expensive, unusual.
Do you know what the most expensive thing I found on the market? It's a f***ing crate that's worth $500.
I just got back.
Okay, I put the link in the damn chat. Now look for it. Find Zelda right
No,
underneath it.
send it to me in the Steam chat.
Oh. Well, I guess that would make
Yeah.
much more sense.
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, you got me there. Whee! Whee! Doing a live stream someday with my friends, and I hope to God I don't draw the short straw, because I know what book I'll have to read off of fanfics.net if I draw the short straw.
I haven't been listening. What the OB? Also, your music is gay.
Yeah, whatever. Anyways, me and a few friends of mine were thinking about doing a stream on Twitch when we graduate. So I know what's gonna happen if I draw the short straw, and I'm gonna have to read that one book I'm hoping to God I have to avoid.
Ooh, My Little Pony.
Yeah, it's a My Little Pony one.
Yeah.
No, you figured it out.
Gotta kill them all.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
I'm basically Samurai Jack. I am from the future because I've got a laser cannon. And I've got
Oh
a
no,
katana.
that Samurai Jack's garbage.
30 seconds.
Do me a favor, don't turn around.
And ends in 10 seconds.
I just left him to the spies.
Holy shit.
Magic!
3.
Well, that didn't work.
Control point.
That did
You're
not work at
gonna be a
all.
respawn.
Spider.
Fight me with your fucking melee weapon, since that's all I got. Also, did you notice
The
what I
hell?
Bloody spies! Scrumpy!
I'll accept it. Operation Flying Sniper. 3, 2,
Hey, no,
1.
no, no,
Three,
no.
no!
Whee!